Good day, fish tankers. We are on the final leg of our 500 Rand McMerwe voucher giveaway. That's my local fish store here close to me in Stellenbosch, Cape Town area. They've kindly sponsored us a voucher of 500 Rand. If you're not in the Cape Town area here in South Africa, don't despair. They have a website and you can just go on the website with your voucher and help yourself to whatever you want there. But the nice thing about this competition or this lucky draw giveaway is that we get to look at more subscribers' tanks. So if you're interested in that and finding out whether you're a winner or not, stick around. Well, fish tankers, we've got a total of 13 aquariums that were entered. And of course, all those names go into the lucky draw for the 500 Rand McMerwe gift voucher. Drum roll, please. Oh, let's see who the winner is this time. Right, I've got one here. And the winner is Margot Labuschagne. Margot, congratulations, a 500 Rand McMerwe voucher is coming your way. Thank you so much to McMerwe, Jacques and the team for sponsoring us with this gift voucher. And without any further ado, let's take a look at the tanks. And please also let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite and why. And also keep a lookout for the videos at the end of this week coming out, course. Some of these people that entered in this lucky draw has also sent me video, and we're going to have a more in-depth deep dive into the aquariums and the Tank Dream series. But that is it from me talking. Let's take a look at the tanks and remember to take good care of those domestic denizens of the deep.